Hey guys, so this is kind of like a part 2 to the wooden name puzzle. I didn't want to include this part in my video because I didn't know how many people would actually be interested in it. So I will leave a link to that video in the description, but that's what this video is. It's just showing you how to design the wooden name puzzle using Inkscape. So if you're interested in that, this video is for you. First, I'm going to start with my text box. I'm going to do all caps, highlight the name, and then I'm going to find Arial Rounded. I felt like this was the best font for this project. So we have our name. Now we are going to create a rectangle. Before I do anything with my rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and change the height to 3.5 inches because that's the overall height that I want my name puzzle to be. And we are going to start at 12 inches. I know my name's not going to fit on there, but that's where I'm starting at. And I'm going to change the color to a light gray. I'm going to go back to the rectangle icon. Let me go ahead and zoom it in. And now all we're going to do is hit shift while pulling down on this little stop sign shape here. And can you see how my corners are just going in and out? So you just find where you think it looks good. I like that right about there. And boom, you have your shape for the outside. So now for my letters, I like the letters to be about 1/2 inch from the top and the bottom. I'm going to want the height of my letters to be about 2.5 inches. So I'm going to lock the ratio and I'm going to change it to 2.5 inches. That's pretty good. So I need to come out further on my puzzle. Also in here, there's an alignment tool that you can first select your name, then hit shift and then select what you're aligning. And you go to object, align and distribute. And this icon right here will center the name for you left to right. And this one here will center up and down. All right, so we're done there. So now we're going to click on our name, hit fill, and we're going to go to stroke paint. Select this icon here. We're going to hit fill, and we don't want the fill anymore. We want to take the fill out. So once you've got it in this spot right here, you can go to stroke style and you can thicken your lines. So if you want to change this to points, by the way. Now you can adjust the thickness of your lines by using the plus and minus buttons to look however you'd like. Now that I have my puzzle the way I want it to look, I can go ahead and close this. I'm going to click on my name and I'm going to do Control D. And now I have my duplicate name to glue on to my wooden letters. Now it's ready to print. As always, thanks for watching. I hope to catch you on the next one. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Stronger by Grace Designs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all my latest projects, tips, or to be inspired. See you next time.